back to Stuti Studio. I'm back with another DIY video. This time I'll be making 5 different types of earring. These are really easy and trendy right now. So out of these 5 earring, this one is one of my favorite. The inspiration of this earring came from this one, which I have seen in Nykaa.com. I really like that one, but it was quite expensive for a tassel earring. So I thought of remaking it and I made this one for just ₹10. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. And before everything, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get notified for my next videos. So let's get started.
This is a paper rope. I got this one from a local shop for just ₹5. Embroidery thread, fabric glue and the earring hook. Roll the paper rope and stick it with the help of a fabric glue. Continue doing that until you reach your desired size. Once you reach your size, leave the end free so that you can attach the hook and the tassels to it. Prepare one more of the same size. Stick the both pieces together and pass the hook through the free ends. And use some fabric glue to bind them together. Let's make the tassels now. Take a scale and start wrapping the thread for like 10 times. Take a small piece of the thread, take out the thread from the scale and tie a knot on top of the loop like this. Take another small piece of the thread and use it to tie a knot, leaving a little bit space from the top. Use the glue to tidy it up. Now use the scissor to cut the ends of the loop. Make 4 more tassels. Now start tying the tassels to the free ends of the paper rope one by one. Trim the excess thread. Use the glue to stick the end of the pieces. Let the glue dry a little bit and use a comb to brush the tassels. Now, with the help of the scissor, give it a nice shape. Your first earring is ready. Second one is called the rainbow earring. These are widely on trend right now. Take 6 small pieces of the white embroidery thread. Pick any color, double up the thread and tie a knot on one end of the white thread. Now, put glue all over the white thread and start wrapping the thread. Once you reach the end, tie a knot and cut the extras. Make 2 more of them of any color but a little bit longer than each other. Take them together, carve a little bit and stick them with the help of a glue one by one. Now take a ring, put it on the top layer. Let the glue to dry it up a little bit, then attach the hook. Brush the bottom part a little bit, then trim the extras. The rainbow earring is ready. For the third one, you have to make 5 tassels like we made earlier. Wrap the thread around the scale for like 25 times. Take the thread out and this time instead of making a knot, pass the loop through the hoop earring. Now take a small piece and tie a knot just below the hoop and cut the bottom part of the loop. Make 4 more of the tassel like this one. After everything, brush the tassels to untangle and trim the ends. Your simple tassel earring is ready. This time, I'm using a card instead of a scale because I want the tassel to be little longer. Wrap the thread around the card for 25 times. Tie a knot like this. Tie a knot like we did earlier. I made 3 of them of 3 different colors. Trim the ends The length should match each other. Now take a needle. The color of the thread that is attached to the needle should be matched to the topmost tassel. Pass the needle through all three of them. Tie a knot on the top while attaching the earring hook. After everything, brush the tassels. The more you brush, the more it looks good. The earring is now ready. For the last one, take some wool and start wrapping it around the scale for like 25 times or more to make it bigger. Take out the wool from the scale like this. Take a smaller piece and tie a knot on the middle. Cut the loops with the help of a scissor. And trim the sides to give it a rounder shape. Similarly, make 2 more of them. Take the hoop and insert the pom-poms one by one. And our pom-pom earring is ready. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.